Happy New Year, everyone. The clock literally just struck midnight here in my house. I'm doing my first video of the new year, and we're going to cook a pork butt. This is going to be seriously the simplest pork butt you've ever seen. Let's start the fire. All right, let's prepare this pork butt. It's about a 10-pounder. This will be sufficient here. So I said this is going to be a simple recipe. This is ready for the smoker. We're not going to season it. We're not going to trim it. We're going to let the smoke do the seasoning on this pork butt. Let's take it outside. All right, we have the pork butt on. Set it here in the center. Got a little bit of water pan. It says I want to sleep all night. I'm not going to spritz. So a little bit of moisture on the inside. So I have the Recteq Bullseye set on the low setting. That usually hovers around 200 degrees. I have noticed though that the ambient temperature is actually about 50 degrees higher, so this is actually going to be cooking around 250 while I sleep comfy, cozy in my bed. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning. We are probably about 8.5 hours into this cook. I put it on about 12:15 last night. It's 8:45 this morning. Let's go take a look. So you probably can't see that. The Recteq shows 202. My meter probe is showing ambient temperature of about 260 right now. Recteq says they can't adjust that for me. I just haven't had a chance to call. Let's see about that. Look at this. Look at that golden color from that hickory wood I have going. Looking pretty good. According to the meter, the internal temperature right now is about 165. It's got a little ways to go, so I am going to go ahead and bump that heat up a little bit to about 250 according to the Recteq. Of course, that could be a little bit higher. Pork can take the inconsistent temperatures. You see I'm collecting all that juice down there in that pan. As far as pellets go, looking pretty good here. I did take that grate out, like some of y'all suggested I do. Not too bad. All right, this pork butt has been on for an even 12 hours. Let's take a look. Looks good. Nice dark color. Again, no rub whatsoever on this. This is all natural. I guarantee that's not going to have a burnt flavor to it, even though it looks like that. So, probing tender. Probing a little bit lower over on that end, but I'm going to go ahead and pull this. And I'll see you guys when it's done resting. I'm going to rest probably about an hour. Okay, so time got away from me for a little bit. This has been resting for a little over an hour, hour and 15 minutes to be exact here on my countertop. Let's take a look. The juices are flowing pretty good here. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this up and see how it tastes. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, we're doing nothing but smoke for seasoning, but we can always do a finishing sauce if you like. Pretty nice. That one side that was probing a little bit tighter is a little bit tighter. I can feel it there. We'll chop that up later. But the rest of it feels pretty good. Yeah, I don't care about this. Let's do a taste test. All right, again, no seasoning whatsoever. Just hickory pellets. The natural flavor of pork. So that's pretty good on its own. You get that pure pork flavor. The juices, I mean, this is juicy as all get out. Like I said, this is the easiest pulled pork I've ever done. Absolutely ever done. This is amazing. So you do have options. If you do this and you don't like the flavor of just the smoke on there, you can add a finishing rub. In this case, what we're going to do here, not that I don't like it, I know my family prefer this, we're going to sprinkle some Holy Gospel on top and mix it in. All right, so I'm going to mix this up. We're going to dig in, have our lunch. I'll wrap this up in a minute. So we just finished up our meal and it was fantastic. That was by far the easiest pulled pork I've ever done. As you saw, I literally took it from the packaging straight to the smoker, from the smoker to the tub to pull it apart. Unreal, super easy. While I did enjoy the flavor with just the pork by itself along with the smoke, the finishing rub did take it to a whole other level. It's something I'll probably do in the future. I really loved adding the rub after I was done pulling the pork, just because it made that flavor of the rub go throughout the entire mixture of pork there. The only thing I didn't like about not wrapping this was that outer layer of pork did get a little tough. It was tasty, had a little crunch to it, but I did remove it from the pulled pork mixture, so that way everything we had was nice, soft, and juicy, and it was a fantastic meal. I am so full, and I'm ready for a nap. But I want to thank you so much for watching. I am looking forward to doing more cooks in 2021, and it's going to be a great year. We all deserve a great year, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what it brings. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a great day. The fire is out.